Hey guys, Hideaki here with another unboxing video, and today we are going to unbox and talk about some art tools that I bought. So without any delay, let's see what we got. First thing first, I got a Copic Refill thingy. It's for the black color because I use a lot of black Copics for my inking drawings. It's much cheaper to buy a refill than constantly buy new Copics markers. So yeah, I really have to refill my Copics and start using them again. Also bought some paper stumps. I'm going to use them for graphite pencil drawings, mostly for portraits, because I really want to get into portraits. So yeah, you have 6 stumps here, so it's all that you need for graphite drawings. Yeah, let's see what else we got. Also got 2 brushes. These are also for graphite drawings, for portraits. If you heard that noise, that is just my my tummy growling because I'm very hungry. So yeah, I bought these 2 brushes for graphite drawing stuff for portraits. You will see in if I do a portrait, you will see in that video why I use them, and hopefully I can make some tips and tricks videos on how you can use them. So yeah. Also bought a lot of pencil sharpeners because I was running low. Of course they are Faber-Castell because this is the brand that I love. Not like, I said love. So yeah, bought a bunch of them. Also bought some Posca tools. They are very good to create white highlights with them. Especially this one, it has a very fine tip, 0.7 millimeters. I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but yeah. And I also bought another Posca, but this time this is a brush. It has a brush tip, and I'm going to use this one for my inking drawings. So yeah, can't wait to use it. I also bought an eraser, but as you can see, it has corners, and this is still for the graphite drawings to create some nice lines, most likely in the hair. So yeah, this is still for the graphite drawings. And I also bought some refills. So I got a lot of tools for portraits. So most likely I will start drawing portraits. And last but certainly not least, I got some more Pigma Micron brushes. And you know I'm going to use them for my inking drawings. These are my favorite. The Pigma Micron, the Sakura Pigma Micron, my favorite inking pens. So yeah, I bought 3 black brushes and 1 red. So yeah, I can't wait to use them. So yeah, this is pretty much all that I bought. I'm going to use them in various drawings. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. I know it's not as entertaining as my other videos, but yeah, I like to do them and show you what stuff I bought. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos and my shop. And yeah, see you in other videos. Bye bye.